ये चालू है क्या? चले. We have our chief guest with us. I request everyone to please have your seat. Thank you, sir. A very good morning to all, and a very warm and heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries and guests present today in this memorable 2nd of October. Today, we come together to commemorate the life and legacy of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, by unveiling a bust that will forever stand as a symbol of his unwavering commitment to justice, peace, and equality. I request all the respected guests to please rise for the national anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय
Thank you, everyone. Gandhiji's principles and values continue to inspire generations, reminding us of the power of truth and importance of justice in our society. The installation of this bust is not just a tribute to a great leader, it is a reaffirmation of the values he held, values that are foundation of our legal system. It serves as a reminder to all who pass through these halls that truth, justice, and compassion should be our guiding principles in the pursuit of a just society. Today we are honored to have with us Honorable Mr. Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice, High Court of Chhattisgarh, who will do us the honor of unveiling this remarkable bust of Mahatma Gandhi. I very humbly request and invite Honorable the Chief Justice for unveiling and garlanding the bust. Sir. I request Honorable Shri Justice Sanjay K. Agrawal to please join along for offering floral tribute to the bust. Thank you, Lordship. This really is a historic moment in the history of Chhattisgarh High Court. I request respected Advocate General and Chairman Chhattisgarh Bar Council to please share his thoughts with us.
My Lord Honorable Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Sinha ji, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Sri Abdul Wahab Khan, President Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, Sri Ramakant Mishra ji, Deputy Solicitor General of India, senior advocates, young members of the bar, Registrar General, Registry Officers of Chhattisgarh High Court, Director, Duty and Judicial Officers, distinguished guests, member of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know that we are gathered here to celebrate a nice occasion called Gandhi Jayanti, it is very gratifying thing to me to participate in unveiling of the bust of Mahatma Gandhi ji. I would like to recite a speech in front of you all. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi ji as well as remember his courageous deeds on the way of independence struggle for the country from British rule. 2nd October is also celebrated internationally as the International Day of Non-Violence because of being a preacher of non-violence throughout his life. 2nd October was declared as an International Day for Non-Violence by the United Nations General Assembly on 15th of June 2007. We will always remember Bapu as a symbol of peace and truth. After realizing a real pain of India, he started participating in various freedom movements together with Gopal Krishna Gokhale ji. He took the reins of the India's freedom movement in his hands and guided the nation towards achieving independence. The campaign what he ran for India's freedom were non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement and quit India movement. He went to prison many times. However, he never lose his patience of fighting peacefully. The whole life of Bapu has been set as an ideal example in front of us and future generation also of patriotism, sacrifice, non-violence, simplicity and fairness. The aim of celebrating the occasion is to pay tribute to Bapu as well as let our future generation know about all the struggle made by Bapu in order to get freedom from British rule. It teaches us to achieve with open eye every time in order to maintain the honor of our motherland. At the end, it can be said that the unveiling of the bust of Gandhiji is a great step by the Honorable High Court, Honorable the Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the High Court of Chhattisgarh. The bust of Gandhiji will give confidence and inner strength for fighting justice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now request the President, High Court Bar Association, to share his thoughts before the gathering.
माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री रमेश सिन्हा साहब, उपस्थित सम्माननीय न्यायाधिपतिगण, निवृत्तमान न्यायाधिपति श्री सामंत साहब, राज्य के महाधिवक्ता श्री सतीश चंद वर्मा साहब एवं राज्य विधिक परिषद की विशेष कमेटी के चेयरमैन श्री वर्मा साहब, असिस्टेंट सॉलिसिटर जनरल माननीय रमाकांत मिश्रा साहब, सम्माननीय रजिस्ट्रार जनरल, रजिस्ट्री के सम्माननीय अधिकारीगण, सम्माननीय वरिष्ठ अधिवक्तागण, छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय कर्मचारी संघ के अध्यक्ष माननीय प्रमोद पाठक जी, छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय के कर्मचारीगण, उपस्थित समस्त सम्माननीय नागरिकगण एवं मेरे अधिवक्ता साथियों, सर्वप्रथम आज के इस ऐतिहासिक दिवस पर छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय परिसर में राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी की प्रतिमा के अनावरण एवं राष्ट्रपिता की जयंती की आप सभी को हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामना देता हूं। प्रतिमा की स्थापना वो भी छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय परिसर में यूं ही नहीं हो जाती है। इसके पीछे एक परिकल्पना होती है, एक उद्देश्य होता है। उन उद्देश्यों को, उन परिकल्पनाओं को साकार रूप दिया है माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधिपति श्री रमेश सिन्हा साहब। मैं छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय अधिवक्ता संघ परिवार की ओर से आपको इस पुनीत और ऐतिहासिक कार्य संपादन के लिए साधुवाद देता हूं। साथ ही हम यह भी उम्मीद करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि आपके ही कर कमलों से, आपके ही कार्यकाल और आपके संभावित सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाने के पहले हमारे हाई कोर्ट परिसर में हमारे अधिवक्ता साथियों के लिए भव्य 1000 चेंबर्स और उस चेंबर के सामने एक हमारे भारतीय संविधान के रचयिता बाबा साहेब भीमराव अंबेडकर जी की भी प्रतिमा का अनावरण आपके कर कमलों से हो, ऐसा हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है। आपकी कार्यशैली और जिस तेज गति से कार्य संपन्न हो रहा है, तो उससे अधिवक्ताओं को पूरी उम्मीद है कि 1000 भव्य चेंबर रहेगा और उसके सामने बाबा साहेब की प्रतिमा का भी अनावरण आपके कर कमलों से होगा। इसी उम्मीद के साथ पुनः आप सभी को राष्ट्रपिता गांधी जी की जयंती की हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामना देता हूं। साथ ही आज छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय परिसर में जो प्रतिमा महात्मा गांधी जी राष्ट्रपिता की जो प्रतिमा का अनावरण हुआ है, उसकी भी मैं आप सभी को हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामना देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Khan sir. I request the Deputy Solicitor General of India to share his thoughts with the gathering.
My Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Ramesh Sinha, Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh, and all Honorable Judges of High Court Chhattisgarh, and Sri Honorable Justice Ramesh Chand Samanji, Sri Satish Chand Verma Ji, Honorable Advocate General State of Chhattisgarh, Sri Abdul Wahab Khan Ji, President High Court Bar Association, Registrar General, all Judicial Officer and all staff of the High Courts, Sri Rajneesh Srivastav, PS Law, Senior Advocates, respected member of the Bar and distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day which is the most pious day for Bharat, when two great men got their birthday, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Yat dharmastha jaya, yat nasti papatkara, yat tusyanti rajna, sarve sarvasesth karka. Where there is rightness, there is a victory. Where there is no wrongdoing, there is a triumph. Where kings and contentment, they are indeed in the best of all actions. Today we gather here on this auspicious occasion of 154th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a man whose life and legacy have left indelible mark on annals of history, not just in India but across the globe. It is indeed an honor for me to stand before you to speak about great leader Mahatma Gandhi. On this event, unveiling a bust premises in the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Mahatma Gandhi was not only a champion of non-violence and civil disobedience, but also a trained barrister. In his pursuit of legal knowledge, Gandhi imbibed the principle of justice, fairness that he would later apply in his sight India's independence. He truly believed that the legal profession could be a powerful instrument for the social change and justice, a statement that stands true till date. Gandhi's life journey was marked with a relentless pursuit of justice, truth and equality. His commitment to the principles of non-violence, civil disobedience, and satyagraha became the driving force behind India's struggle. He demonstrated that it was possible to wage powerful and transformative struggle through peaceful means, setting example of ahimsa paramo dharma that would inspire countless civil rights movements and leaders worldwide. Gandhiji not only got respect in Bharat, but also got respect and recognition all over the world. 2nd October is also celebrated as a World Non-Violence Day. The Gandhiji's philosophy of non-violence is globally accepted and guiding to all society, to the state and all institutions. One of Gandhiji's most enduring legacies in his unwavering belief in the dignity of every human being. He envisioned in India where all individuals, regardless of their caste, creed, or background, could live together in harmony and prosperity. His tireless efforts to eradicate the evils of untouchability and promote social justice continue to resonate with us today. As we unveil this bust Mahatma Gandhi here at High Court of Chhattisgarh, we are also celebrate this role as a protagonist of justice and the rule of law. His firm belief in the independence of just legal system and his participation in various movements aimed at rectifying social injustice underscore his dedications and the principle of justice. Value principle teaching and writings of Mahatma Gandhi was also referred by the Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment reported in 2021, Volume 3, Supreme Court Cases, page number 160. Gandhi's message of unity, tolerance, and non-violence is a guiding light of us in today's world, where we often find ourselves facing divisive forces and conflicts. It can truly be summarized by this loop: Ayam nija paroveti ganna lagu chesram udarcharita nam tu vasudev kutumbakam. His emphasis on dialogue, empathy, and compromise serve as a timely reminders of path we should follow to build a just, peaceful society. In inclusion of the bust we unveil today is not just piece of art, but symbol of enduring inspiration. Mahatma Gandhi's legacy is not confined to pages of history, but lives on the heart and minds of the people everywhere who seek justice, peace, and freedom. As we honor him today, let us also recommend ourselves to ideal we stood for and work towards a world that reflects the vision of Mahatma Gandhi. Now we will conclude with this look. Sarve bhavanti sukhna, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukhat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Chhattisgarh.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, from the very first day since our Honorable Chief Justice has joined this High Court, we have seen him as an innovative thinker, a visionary, and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas. It was his Lordship's idea behind the solemnization of this landmark moment. I very humbly request Honorable the Chief Justice to please share his thoughts and insights about Mahatma Gandhi's legacy and the significance of this event. Sir.
My esteemed sister and brother judges, Justice Samant, former judge of this court, Shri Satish Chandra Verma, learned Advocate General and Chairman of the Special Committee of State Bar Council, Shri Ramakant Mishra, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, Shri Abdul Wahab Khan, President, High Court Bar Association, and learned members of the bar, Registrar General, officers of the Registry, Principal Secretary Law and Legislative Affairs Department, Judicial Officers of the District Judiciary Bilaspur, Officers of the District Administration of Bilaspur, employees of the High Court, ladies and gentlemen, persons from print and electronic media, and all others who are participating in this program virtually. Sadar Pranam, aap sabhi ka swagat hai. Good morning and a warm welcome to all. Few days ago, when I inquired from the officers of the registry as to how Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in this High Court, I was a bit surprised and pained to be informed that till 2nd October 2022, the said occasion was observed as holiday with no special event. It clicked in my mind that when the entire nation celebrates the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi since several years, how can we observe this moment as a mere holiday? Hence, with the concurrence of my sister and brother judges, we plan to install a bust of Mahatma Gandhi and organize a small event so as to pay floral tribute to Father of Nation. Today, on the celebration of 154th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, it is a great pleasure, honor, and privilege for me to unveil the bust of Mahatma Gandhi in the premises of our prestigious High Court, which was established on 1st of November 2000. Mahatma Gandhi, affectionately known as Bapu, is not only a name but an institution of unparalleled eminence which transcends the bounds of race, religion, boundaries of nation, and has emerged as the prophetic voice of the 21st century. He is remembered for his passionate adherence to the practice of nonviolence and social justice. The High Court, being an institution of utmost importance in the judicial system of our country, represents the epitome of justice and fairness. With this event, we pay tribute to the values propagated by Mahatma Gandhi, who had an indelible impact on the principles of Indian legal system. The UN General Assembly has declared this day as the International Day of Non-Violence to honor his principles. Gandhiji's ultimate search was for the righteous conduct. He always believed that means are more important than the end. With the right means, desired end will follow. The choice of placing this bust within the premises of High Court holds a profound meaning. It signifies the convergence of Gandhian ideals with the principles that guide our legal system. Our High Court symbolizes the custodian of justice, and the bust of Gandhiji reminds us that justice should be administered with compassion, fairness, and integrity. The bust serves a constant reminder of the principles we must uphold as judges, lawyers, and all those who are connected with this temple of justice. It is worth noting that this event finds its foundation in the Indian Constitution, especially in Article 51, capital A, which promotes the fundamental duties of every citizen, including the obligation to cherish and follow the noble ideals that Mahatma Gandhi strived for. This renders the presence of Gandhiji highly relevant and meaningful within the precincts of the High Court. Gandhiji always led a life based on principles of simple living and high thinking. He was sure that the needs of everyone could be filled, but not the greed. Therefore, one should leave aside one's material desires and try to live with minimum resources. He preached what he practiced and practiced what he preached. Today, as we remember the Mahatma, it becomes very important for all of us to do introspection and take inspiration from the principles of Bapu in an endeavor to make our country cleaner, fairer, and more peaceful. As we stand before this bust of Gandhiji, let us pledge to uphold the ideals he has cherished. Before I conclude, I take this opportunity to inform you all present in the August gathering and watching virtually this event that from now onwards, on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti falling every year, the event will be presided by the senior most judge of this court available on that date and would pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi in the presence of other honorable judges, registry officers, and employees of this court. I also take this opportunity to pay tribute and homage to Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, whose birth anniversary also falls on the October 2, who is admired across the country of his simplicity and decisiveness. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. As we stand here, let us remember that Mahatma Gandhi's ideal, his dedication to justice, and his unwavering commitment to truth are the light that should guide us legal fraternity in all our endeavors. I request all the respected dignitaries and guests to please rise up for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. On behalf of the High Court, I extend our sincere gratitude to Honorable the Chief Justice and all the Honorable Judges of our High Court, all our distinguished guests, and each and every one of you for being a part of this historic occasion. Let this bust inspire us all to uphold the principles of justice and truth in our daily lives. I very humbly invite all the Honorable Judges of our High Court, along with all the guests, to please offer floral tribute to the bust of Gandhiji and thereafter join us for the refreshments. For the convenience of the ministerial staff and officers, they are requested to go to their sections. We have arranged the refreshments there.